Prepare for battle!
Movies are my life. My earliest memories were going to the theaters with my dad, looking up at that big screen. I didn't know what was real, what was fantasy, but I loved all of it. Even though my dad's been gone for some time now, I still see these movie moments all around me. I guess that's just my way of holding on to it. Sometimes I really wonder if I could have done something differently with my life. You know? Instead of skipping out on college, maybe I could have gone and studied film. You ain't kidding, Ferris. All right, Brucey, it's me and you. Solving crimes, busting rhymes, and emptying trash cans.
What then, Sam? How took you so long? No, Mom. I'm sorry, I didn't. I have another call on the line. I'll have to call you back. Yes? Thank God, it's you. Asteroid? Yes? End of the world? Can't stop it. Oh my God! Scheiße, I'm a dead man!
Hello? Oh my God. No. No. Oh, no. Oh. No. No. Oh no.
Right. Yes. Thanks. Like I was saying, I think this semester I'm going to have my class read Joseph Campbell's Hero of a Thousand Faces.
Oh, yes. One of the inspirations for Star Wars. I believe that Neo from The Matrix is the same.
Not really. Luke definitely fits into the archetype, but Neo, not so much. He doesn't even go through most of the trials you have to go through to be a part of the hero's journey. For example, Morpheus...
Oh, really sorry.
Oh, geez. Let me help you with that, Jim.
Is everything all right?
We're all gonna die. We are all going to die.
Well, sure. Ice Age, planet-killing asteroid. There could be a gamma burst.
Or a phase transition. I mean, at any point, we could all face extinction. We all have to face our own mortality at some point or another.
That is a very interesting concept to ponder, Jim. The real philosopher has reason to be of good cheer.
What are
as
they
he
even
approaches
talking
death.
about? I just told them
I've
that
never
the
found
world is
anything
going
more
to end.
ridiculous than that statement. The release of the soul from the chains of the body. I mean, come on. Plato...
No.
No. What would you do if you knew tonight was the last night? There's no tomorrow. The world's gonna end. We're all gonna die. What do you do?
Well, Jim, if we are speaking existentially going off of Heidegger's claims, then death is, well, something that just happens.
But speaking as collective experience, it might be your duty to warn the collective that's going to experience it that death is imminent. Of course, that would spread panic.
Yes, I could totally see that. Panic in the streets, looting, rioting.
Well, that's rational. I mean, tell no one, do nothing, and simply live your life as usual. I mean, after all, if you can't stop imminent death, you might as well accept it.
That reminds me of that movie, Men in Black.
Oh, I suppose now you're going to try to argue that Will Smith also fits into the hero's journey? It's not a possibility. It's totally.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm heading up to the 5th floor to talk to my teacher now. I mean, there is no way that I failed that test. There's got to be some kind of mistake. Yeah, none of those stupid questions were even on the study guide.
If he gets that upset over a failing grade, I'm not telling him that the world is ending.
Hey, you know what? Me and Professor C, we can work something out. I can do some extra credit or maybe a makeup test. You know what? I'm okay with this. After all, tomorrow is another day.
Another day in paradise.